Hello dear students, so this is the second video of Vedic mathematics series. In this video I'm going to talk about rule number 2 for the fastest multiplication. Rule number 2 is nothing, it's just a modification of rule number 1. Make sure you have already gone through rule number 1. So let's get started. Rule number 2, part A. If the result of the vertical multiplication containing only one digit, then add zeros one less than the base to the left of it. Let's pick those examples from the first video of this series that couldn't be solved by using rule number 1. So we are taking those examples, that is we have to multiply 102 into 104, okay, by using rule number 2 part A, okay. So 102 to 104. So 102 is 2 more than 100 and 104 is 4 more than 100, okay. So first step is vertical multiplication. 4 into 2, 8, okay, containing only one digit. So we have to apply rule number 2 part A, okay. So first we know that what is base here. So base is 100 here, okay, because both numbers are near to 100, so base is 100. And how many zeros here? Zeros 2 here, okay. So we have only take one zero. So as per the rule we have to take only one zero, so put 0 here to the left of it. And second is diagonal multiplication. Either we take 102 plus 4 or 104 plus 2. Both way we get the same answer, that is 106, okay. So 102 into 104 come out to be 10,608, okay. Let's verify our answer with the help of calculator. So 102 into 104, our answer is correct, that is 10,000. Now move to the second part of this rule number 2. Just wait. So second part of this rule number 2, in multiplication, if one number is less than and other number is greater than the base, then we have to do two steps. First step is result of the multiplication is subtracted by the base, and second step is from the diagonal result we have to subtract 1. That's it all about, okay. So let's verify and let demonstrate it with the help of example. So we have to multiply 96 into 110. One number is less than 100, that is 96, and other is 108, that is greater than 100, okay. So base is 100 here because both numbers are near to 100, so base is 100 here, okay. So 96 110, okay. So 96 is how much it less than 100? It is 4 less than 100, okay. And 110 is 8 greater than 100. So first step is always vertical multiplication. So 8 into 4 is 36, no 32. Okay, and second step is diagonals addition or diagonal subtraction. So either we take 96 plus 8 or 108 minus 4, that's your choice. 108 minus 4 come out to be 104. Okay, so because in this example one number is greater than 100 and greater than base, and one other number is less than base. Okay, so we have to apply rule number 2 part B here. Okay, so we have to do in 2 steps. Step number is vertical multiplication result will be subtracted by base. Okay, so 32 is a result of the vertical multiplication and 104 is the diagonals result. Okay, so first step is we have to subtract 32 by the base. Base is 100, so 100 minus 32 come out to be 68. Okay, and second step is diagonal result subtract 1. Okay, so diagonal result is 104 minus 1, that come out to be 103. So our result is 103.68. that is, if we multiply 96 into 108, result will be 10,368. Okay, so let's verify it with the help of calculator. 96 into 108, that is 10,368. Our answer is correct. So that's it all about rule number 2. It's just a modification of rule number 1. So next video I will talk about some special case of multiplication. So please stay tuned with us. Bye bye.